I used to say anya bia wo so hu ne say said mo ka ne aka me say mo ya ha mo ni aka no do we edin ye de to so kaka ensesa hwe
e da kwabra am say ahwefo a ehwe ye ni nyina no wo mo jeje o mo anso edimate issues na ofie se me nua intimi tra ha ka se ohimpon a ono wo na sase na wo twa bi dia ma ban se mfa mesi school na se ba se mudi sa school no ebeto MPP ni wa seven MPP o ye Ghana but was seven MPP for him because you see ye were vice chancellors bebre ye even you always see account you the first vice chancellor with university so that's here sao hine no and then the hu hia se consult no and suddenly no governing council no ababe ye to say angels or my saints one governing council no mo ho no say one more year the bidding of MPP
asa kan e bi o
unim
odidi o matter
CK tadem
odidi o matter
busa ho say e die ba dwumadie pa say oye the first or parliament 1954 ono kwa the parliament ana
Dike van to Joma
Hama. Ono kwa the parliament.
The first go to Joma Hama.
The one year e wo UDS o deserve say.
The former Joma Hama.
E was say you did the whole Nabungo campus. E de to no.
One year fan to them for alternative bre.
On say wo kasa no. Man
Alternative bra.
Akametimi akabi. Me patcho fani die.
E ma
me da se bebre.
Tie wo kasa man kabi.
Enti me da se mitio.
E die ben na secretary dem. One year e de ma even Nabungo fo. Ah o deserve say. E was say you did the whole campus of UDS. E to no.
Ese se pa ya do say.
Me say, ni oye ya obapani e bo na baso na ne say. Enipakuo bi a ono no mo nya adwen e wo party nim. One person ka wo mba bedi amanyoko nanim. E na delegate ko to abayi wo mo e wo tamale. Na sa nipakuo no nipa o tre dwam as this one committee chair of me yi afoko adi no e di secretary dem. Go and check the records.
Na so mo ya de anya.
The Saturday join. Am ye o kasa no man kabi.
Me da se.
Oh,
ba bete biti
o kan be bro betimi akato man kabi.
Me da se biti o pa bete.
Hwe. Yes papa be fe dombo. Jumadi be pa na odi ye. Ewo etifidu mantem wa. E wo say ye tamale campus of UDS near the tunnel. To say enu no bi how dwe ho a eye niwa ma obusa say ah na I say ye ma panin na ben yi na say ya bo mu dua sagana for I'm sorry entiasa no mo ya ye te ho ada ko beti say na Takwari Technical University near name after Charles Bisu.
No how
I'm telling you ebe won say be sorry na Takwari Technical University near name after Charles Bisu. That is President Kufado for you.
For their grow but so.
Oh, if you say, Adia of my penny ye, and you say, Yati Mantem is here. Some Mantem is here, Yati. Okobru East. Omu Kropon and Tachiman. Investment of value view for the campus wall. I didn't know your buy. I know your priority. What priority say? Over time $100 million. I go see cathedral. I didn't know change.
That's not true.
Now we see cathedral in
That's not true.
Now name cathedral no name after them.
And two patches I just saw no odipa to me bibi ansa na.
Why na sabi yo? E da why na sabi? Won koye oba ho de. Sabi ene wo na wo betu din.
Na I don't kwa na say muso bia betu aka say muso ba ba muso mu ye bi. Na Jubilee House.
For 4 years number 2
na my flash
star. What's the to why? Eye dia na e was that. Go and find out. Come and Nkrumah na ho na obezi. E dia na was so from come and Nkrumah time. And na omusi dan wi na president for e no Jubilee House. And na Professor Samis ba na be sai. Otuem school you can wasemi. Yes, seen from scratch. A community day school. And now, here I do see ye. And no decide they say what they took Professor Mills. Sir, FPS was okay. Ye be to before. What you say? You could jeep about before. I didn't think I would the person who condo say. I did amu ye no say 40 years to come. Ye na no more nya wo mo ye ba. O ma be say oh, sir university kwa say papa we just to rewrite the history of this country.
O tell me bisa question me bisa won so say aban we ba na breso yesisa we din ni asesa we din ni asesa we din ni asesa need we din to din need to din we ehun ya
wofa ehun se den hia but see se obi ebobra se obi se yewura Kofi Annan obi ehun modern bo papa yi wabọ edumre bi a se unam kra na se otukwa kwa ma na se ukaso ye gana ni a abrofo no omunim gana kwa no omutra so be link to Kofi Annan se ba se o maimunu nyina atena se ne ga se o ye de ade we etu Kofi Annan me gidi se ye brother consultation obia but busa hu se wonu ma omo tebu no hoso nyane ho kra no enipa do say na sa government council yo omo consult wonu
do they have
school no me ga school no ho enye MPP dia enye government council no dia eye taxpayers money ene this university no
emra wo ho
enti no se ba se o pese wu ndemu university no after obia e wo so ye brother consultation na ahefo adehye a mo kunu so nyina ehun se 20 hwe ye Radman Buzia ona DVL for boss ni krom anyway chi e na papa na efe no Buzia no fi oba ye o pese o shed ni krom wo for ni monyam no papa so DVL office wo Joe Wise first deputy speaker of parliament oba ye DVL boss we see bi obekwai it say if after some years obi ban o kase oh sa DVL officer wo krom hayi ye wo so papa yi de be si ye wa ye be tie be si name after o go catch le be kwa hene a o raise issues bia na obi o mebre obi mra no meye o mesi universities wo de o ba ye no wo priority ni say obe DPDS achi wo de ne say one village one dam a wo si wusi no wo ye dag out adetna ka wo nye proper dam ewo na brongo ho na wo name after secret dem.
Yes, and so secret them dam.
That's what I dam. It is a ultimate dam now mo ye na a minister in charge of special initiatives Bekache say a meaningless dam because utua 250,000 ultimate construct any meaningful dam. It is your mo ye wo ho no a meaningless dam no. Adetna ko mo nye dam at least we say we dam no mo find to secret them.
I don't know money sir. I don't know money we say ebia secret them ebia say this na fe. You see ya twene ho nyina na ebisa say wugidi say ebi no ka say mo yesa mampani aban na se party no na sa aban na yesa e de abo party no echitafo bi abaso ana bibia tete sa na mo hu no.
Jacob na me di ka catch say busamini oti hey.
Me was a mammy,
many or tea, Busane say, or more time on. Some monuments or the two at time also. Nay, Boniana. I talk of Namia expect to be Busano. At the most presidential library, the two, who can she say Busano? The logic behind naming a Tamils presidential library.
Besides, presidential library, a telecom chamber, and a Mudoniska, and the map, Professor Mills, a Busia for after so we say, woman sister library no. Fashion and munyam and yet some a basically go see you
what your fan so watch
no yes see from the scratch
watch
watch